People that's sitting at our table, because remember they couldn't go out yesterday.
Yeah, so.
Now today they can go out and look at the weather. Probably cancel their excursion.
Yeah, the excursion today?
I don't know, but they had so many planned for the day before. I assume they have something for today.
But they couldn't get off the boat yesterday because they didn't have the vaccine.
So they say.
What did you and the mayor do?
We went right out, right out there. It's kind of a long walk. And we looked in the shop.
As soon as I heard it was raining, I knew I was going to get up anyway.
Yeah. For me, I would say somebody else.
Yeah. It's all gloomy and rainy out here. Amber Cove, DR. But as soon as I heard it was supposed to rain, or it was raining, I didn't even bother getting up. My mother wasn't gonna get up either, but since Mayor hasn't been here, she got up for him. It's probably like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock right now. My day is really just starting. Last night wasn't lit, but it wasn't boring either. I went to the alchemy bar. I had like 2 drinks. They were pretty fire. I had the mule, and 40 is the new 20. They're both kind of sour, but they were good. I think I'm gonna go there again tonight. Also don't know what I'm gonna eat today because my stomach's been hurting all week, and I think it's because of the burgers. So I might try something different. I don't even know what I'm wearing today because it is kind of cold, windy, kind of chilly. High 70s, mid 70s, gloomy, rainy. It does kind of look nice because of the mountains as fog over it. I had this tip in the video before this, but I'm gonna say it again. For your first cruise, make sure you go in the summer, because this is my first March cruise. I don't know if every March is like this, so rainy and gloomy and kind of cold. I really was not prepared for it. A little day fit, so windy and gloomy. I'm wearing my sweater, babe tee, babe shorts, babe socks, and Crocs.
So it says fish and chips, but we got nothing in it.
Why don't we walk around first?
It's the same thing on both sides.
I don't know. They have a deli too.
Oh yeah. On both sides like that.
Yeah.
The line is usually so long. That's enough noodles?
Yep. Not too much broccoli.
That's enough?
Yeah.
That's enough, Usher?
Yeah, that's a little bit more.
You want carrots?
No.
String beans?
Nope. Close to the onions on mine now. It's way too much.
Yeah, trying to get them that's cut up already, not so big pieces.
May I have chicken and pork? Chicken and pork? Sir, barbecue? Thank you.
Hello.
How you doing?
Let me get some drink for you. What you like? Lemonade, water, maybe soft drink or a frozen drink?
No, I'm good.
Sure. Or beer? No.
Nah, no beer.
Alright. Okay, just enjoy beer. Just
Thank
enjoy.
you.
A little bit. My legs. I don't got nothing on my legs.
Can you see the name of that ship?
I don't know the name of the ship, but I know it's Princess.
Some weird second name.
I think Carnival owns Princess. How's it taste?
I think I messed it up with my soy sauce on it.
Too salty?
Mm-hmm.
You use a little sodium one?
Yeah.
I'm thinking putting pork in my food.
What?
Yeah.
See there in the pork.
You think this is the pork?
Yeah. You don't need that stuff.
I don't, but I wanted to taste it. I just wanted to taste it. I wanted steak, so. Seems like the weather is making everyone all gloomy.
Huh?
I said that it seems like the weather is making everyone all gloomy.
Get up?
Yep. Right back. It's good.
Yeah.
Sausage in it though. Huh?
That's a small amount.
Yeah, you try to get me to go to the other side.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you told me it's the same food over there, but when I was walking past it, I didn't see any big ziti on that side.
Why did you try to get you over the side?
I don't know.
There's our obscene looking nasty.
Stingray?
Yes. Oh, moving fast. You know it's gonna be funny. We probably get like right outside of where you going again? Port Canaveral.
And then what?
Just sit there. You know what I mean? We heading back now.
Yeah.
Probably get there and just sit.
Just came back from the comedy club. Literally just came back from the comedy club. About to edit some videos. Maybe chill out. Maybe walk around for a little bit. It's pretty funny. I think her name was June. She does impersonations of some comedian from the 80s. Big C to Island. We didn't get that far. Probably like right here, some mountains. Also, a lot of people don't know that DR and Haiti is on the same island. Random fact. Before it got too dark, I wanted to show y'all that it looks like a scene from my favorite movie, Interstellar, when they were on Miller's Planet. The way it looks so gloomy out here. I don't know, like right here, it kind of looks yellowish, brownish. I don't know what that is. It's not the camera either. Like everything looks gray, bluish, and gloomy. And that one, this area looks brown, or yellow. Why not? shower in there?
I mean, you gotta take a shower now. You do? I say, yeah, get up in 15 minutes.
Yeah, get up now.
Because I need an hour to get your
He takes forever in the shower anyway.